Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now going back a few days ago now, I've done a video about Jokers and they are reopening. But of course, me being me, I got the company name wrong. So let's go sort of do a redo of that vid quickly. So there of course is Jokers in all its glory, or former glory, because, well, yeah, at the moment it's sort of going unloved. But good news is they have been bought by the company who owns Red Corner. Now they will be opening some point within the near future. Now, I'm not really gonna take a guess at what month or what year they will reopen, but they will reopen. Now, there are kind of a lot of questions being thrown around as to whether or not they will be staying the same. Will they be still staying as Jokers, or will there be a complete name change? Now, to be honest, I'm thinking a name change could be imminent, because they have been bought by a new company. So with a new company buying them, maybe they will want to sort of fresh start, create a new bar here in Benidorm. But then again, there is another thing with that as well. Being bought by a new company, maybe Jokers, the name Jokers is sort of trademarked to the Touch of Class group. So maybe they can't really reuse the name Jokers again. Who knows? But yeah, good news is they will be reopening some point soon, hopefully. Will be good to see them back open. Got the Hotel Helios there. That's another nice hotel, guys. Gonna try crossover. Plenty of coaches coming in. I think today's sort of a going home day for people, sadly. Has been quite quiet in Benidorm today, because normally Monday I think is the day where people tend to go home. Then Tuesday is the day where they tend to arrive. Oh, is he gonna fit through there? Yes, he is. I will say one thing, guys. I do envy the coach drivers here in Benidorm. They do have to attempt with some very narrow roads, especially up in the Old Town. You do see them quite often getting stuck in Old Town, especially on Jamie Avenue, now that they are doing some roadworks down there. But enough talk about Old Town. I'm in Rincon Deluxe, so talk about Rincon Deluxe. Got the survey group Pueblo. They just had a sort of refurb at the front reception area done, and it looks quite nice, to be honest. I was kind of unsure of it at first, but having a bit of a better look at it, yeah, it does look nice. Gonna just head down this side right now. Think I'm on Calais Ibiza, I want to say. I could be wrong. think I'll end the vid round by Buddy's Bar. Oh, got hiccups, guys. Few little shops around here as well, guys. Seems no matter where you are in Benidorm, you're never too far from a shop, so don't panic if you don't really know the area, guys. If you venture about, you are more than likely to find some sort of shop or a supermarket. Got day and night there. Haven't been in there for ages. Then finishing with Buddy's Bar. Then of course, if you are looking for some entertainment in this area, of course you have got Tommy's Bar, doors open at 7:30, and of course New Life Pub. So if you are a bit stuck for entertainment when you're staying in this sort of area, or you just want in somewhere a bit more quiet, there are 2 bars to go try. Anyway guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.